WhatsApp is one application that each of every one of you that is watching this video uses on a daily basis. I don't think there's any day that you wake up without opening your WhatsApp app in your device, either in your phone or in your tablet or on your PC. Now, but the issue is that most of us don't know that you can actually use one WhatsApp line in multiple devices. Now, making it easier for you to centralize all the communication from your clients or from your customers in just one line, and also making it easier for you to share just one WhatsApp line to multiple devices, which means 5 or 7 or 10 of your staffs in a given company can use just one WhatsApp line, while you, the owner, will also be right inside that WhatsApp line. So you can actually delegate works to different staffs so that they can be communicating with your customers if you have a large volume of customers in just one line, while you can also come into that WhatsApp and view how they communicate with your clients as well. Now, in this video, I am going to show you guys how you can connect one WhatsApp line to multiple devices, whether it's phone, whether it's tablet, whether it's PC. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because of a question I got from one of my brothers. He's also a subscriber on this YouTube channel. He asked me just a couple of days ago that he has this WhatsApp line on a particular phone, but he has lost the number. And now he has a second phone, and he doesn't want to be using that first phone to be going out all the time, but he wants to have that WhatsApp line on the new phone that he got. So that is actually the reason why I'm making this video. First of all, we are going to use Android to do this, and secondly, we're going to use iPhone to do this, which is also similar but a little bit different. Then after that, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that on your laptop as well.